Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by lifting the Civic and placing it securely on stands, safety first, but no long preamble. Once up, remove the wheel and locate the sway bar end link connecting the bar to the control arm. Spray penetrating oil on both nuts and let it soak a minute so bolts turn easier. While you wait, support the control arm with a jack or pry bar. This prevents tension on the link. Next, hold the link stud and break the lower nut free with the appropriate socket. Once the nut breaks loose, hold the link stud with a hex insert or an open wrench to prevent turning. Remove the upper and lower nuts. Sometimes the stud spins, so use a hex key in the top of the stud or pliers on the flats. Pull the old link free and compare it to the replacement to confirm length and orientation. Matching ensures correct sway geometry. Install the new link, threading nuts by hand first to avoid cross-threading, and snug them so the link sits correctly before final torque. With the new link seated, torque both nuts to the manufacturer's spec. This prevents overloading the stud or leaving it loose. Once torqued, reinstall the wheel, lower the car carefully, and torque lug nuts in a star pattern to spec. Before a long drive, manually shake the sway bar near the link to confirm there's no play. Then take a short test drive at low speed to check for clunks and steering feel. If you still hear noise or see movement, inspect link orientation and bushings. Bent bar or worn bushing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.